Hi guys, it's Joy again. Once again, you're welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a special mini meat pie. Make yourself comfortable and share with friends. Let's get started. The first thing, this is the flour that I'm going to be using, or the flour I'm going to be using. I'll go ahead and add a pinch of salt to it, not really much. The next thing, guys, I will add my baking powders to it. So the next one I'm going to be adding is the margarine, and this is the margarine with salt. I will go ahead and use my 2 hands to rub it until it's perfectly combined. At this point is okay. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'll go ahead and add my liquids to it. This is the milk I'm using. I'll add the milk to it. And it's advisable, don't add the milk or the liquid at once to avoid it too liquid. And if you are doing anything more than a kilo, this one I'm working with a kilo, it's advisable you use a bigger bowl for a better result and to make the job easier for you. And to all my returning subscribers, I love you all from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead, subscribe, be a part of this humble family. So can you see how the dough looks like? It's perfectly okay, not really too soft or too strong. I'll cover it and put it aside. So this is the potato I'm going to be using. It's cut already, and if you want to know how I cut this, I have a full video on this where I have about more than 1 million that have already watched it, and it has been a help to them. So I believe it will also be a help to you. So go there and watch it. I'll put the link below. So this is a grounded meat I'm going to be using. This is a chopped onions. I'll put it aside. This is a salt. This is a seasoning needed for it also. This is a thyme. So this is a flour. I'll be dissolving it with water. Once it's done, I'll put it aside also. So let's get right to the filling now. So I have a boiling water already. It's very important. I'll add a pinch of salt. The help of it will not get black. So once that is done, I'll add my potatoes to it. I'll go ahead and put some of the onions. I will also go ahead and add part of the seasoning cube to it. So the next thing I will stir. So less than 3 to 4 minutes, I will take it off the gas because I don't really want it to overcook. I just want it to change color. I don't want it to still be crunchy. So I will take it off. I'll go ahead, I will drain it. So the next thing now, guys, I'm going to take any vegetable oil. You can use any vegetable oil that is available for you. Just 1 cooking spoon is perfectly okay. We don't need overflowing. So the next thing, I will saute these onions. Once it is done, I will go ahead and fry the meat. I will fry the meat until the color has changed, just like what you are going to be seeing here. I also need a little pinch of salt. This is the time to add the thyme. This is a seasoning cube. So I'll go ahead, I will stir it. So I'm going to keep stirring until this color is changed. After this, guys, I added the potato that we earlier saw. Sorry that you didn't see when I was adding it. Sometimes when you are filming, it's not really too easy. So bear with me. So the next thing, I'm going to be adding the dissolved flour that you saw earlier to it. The essence of adding that is to make this filling bind together. Can you see how it looks like? So if that flour is not added to it, it will make a scattering when you break your meat pie. So we are done with that. The next thing, guys, I'm going to go ahead and grease this tray. And the essence of greasing this tray with oil and a drop of flour like this, when the meat pie is ready or baked, you can easily take it off from the tray. So there is a meat pie cutter I'm going to be using. So I'm not using this big size today. I just need this small size. So once that is done, guys, I'll put it aside. So this is the dough. Make sure that when you are doing this, if you see this is too big for you, you can portion it into 2. So, but I'm going to go ahead and spread the full kilo of it, okay? I'll go ahead and spread it. So I'm going to be doing some off camera, okay? So, but I'm working with 1 kilo. What I am displaying for you, I'm working with 1 kilo. And feel free to share my description box. Everything that I'm going to be using is going to be right there. So this 1 kilo that we are working together now, in case if you are doing it for personal consumption, it will be easy for you to work with. So in case for those that is doing for commercial, you want to do a large one, so all you just need to do, you just multiply everything that you are seeing and you will arrive at the number you desire. So this particular one, this 1 kilo I'm working with, so I'm going to be having about 30 pieces on it, because that is why I call it a mini meat pie, because it's a small size, you know, so it's not going to be that big. So once this one is ready like this, make sure you just touch the edge with water, so that when you close it, it will be well sealed. So that is the essence of touching it with a liquid. So I'm using water for the edges, and you can as well use a egg to touch the edges, to see the edges, but it will still give you the same result. If you use egg, if you use water, it will give you the same result. And this your meat pie cutter, why is necessary for you to touch it with a little flour before putting the dough on it, so that it will easily pull off once it is ready. Are you getting what I'm doing now? So can you see? So if I want to pull it off, it will be very easy for me also. I hope you are enjoying this video and you are learning at least a little bit new thing on it. Please, if you love this video and it has been of a help to you, and you want to encourage somebody to do more, why not go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, like the video, share the video, and I also love to see your comment. Your comment give me strength, you know, that will show you appreciate, that will show you love it. So just go ahead, give it a big thumbs up, like the video, and you can as well share in all your platform among your friends, and I believe it will also be helpful to someone close to you. Guys, we are almost done with it. We are almost done. So I'll keep repeating this. At this point, I am done. Can you see? So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I will use my fork to give it some mark. But the essence of that is just to give it some good look, nothing really much or special in it. So at this point, guys, I have started preheating my oven. Okay, I'm started preheating my oven, and I'm going to be using 200 degree very high. And remember, all oven are not the same. Some oven you can use more than that, or you can even use less than 200 degree. It's just for you to observe your oven for a better result. Okay, all right. So the next thing, guys, I will go ahead and egg wash this meat pie. I'm using egg and a drop of oil. The essence of it is to give it that a shiny look, nothing more. So guys, the meat pie is already inside the oven. Now it's ready. Can you see how it looks? Wonderful. Okay, see you soon again in another satisfying video. Bye bye.